Welcome to Boracay!
Hi guys, it's Sunday morning and mas okay yung beach ngayon kasi mas maaraw na siya. Ayan.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, video.
Go, hello.
Hello.
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to our channel.
Louder.
We are going to
Go.
Boracay.
Where are we going?
Boracay.
What are you going to do there?
Just swim.
Just swim? Yeah, see you in Boracay.
See you in Boracay. So we're gonna go to Boracay later because we're still ready. We're gonna ride on the plane first. And when the plane lands, we're gonna video back. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Ang hirap talaga mag-travel to Boracay guys, especially during habagat season, kaya never again. But we finally made it to our hotel. We're staying at Paradise Garden Resort. This is near Station 3, Station 2. We book it via Agoda. Don't forget to use my Agoda discount code for hotel. That's MJ Agoda para makalas kayo. After checking in, nag-lunch na kami kagad because this is past lunchtime na and sobrang gutom na namin. So nag-lunch na kami sa Food Festival Hub. This is just walking distance from our hotel. This was a set meal for 8 packs. Total was 2,748 pesos. So after lunch, bumalik na kami sa hotel. Ganito yung Boracay guys pag may habagat, parang may bagyo. So let me give you a hotel room tour. Isa to sa mga pinaka-affordable na resort dito sa Boracay guys. Again, this is the Paradise Garden Resort. We booked this via Agoda and nakalas kami using the code MJ Agoda. So feel free to use that. So this is their deluxe room with a view din sa pool nila. So upon entry, you will see here your closet and then meron ding safety deposit box dyan, meron ding umbrella. This is good for 4 adults na. So if you're a group, okay na okay din. So we are a total of 10 but we got 4 rooms, 4 deluxe rooms. So andyan yung mga complimentary coffee and tea. And then meron din silang glass bottled water which is refillable ng drinking water every day. Andito din yung mga cups and then yung electric kettle. Meron kang drawer here and under is yung mini fridge ng room. Sa toilet and bath naman, malaki yung bathroom nila. Meron pa nga siyang shower at saka yung bathtub. The toilet has bidet and you have here your sink and the mirror. The room has 2 queen-size beds. As I mentioned, this can occupy up to 4 packs or guests. It's also very ideal for families, like a family of 4. Of course, the room is fully air-conditioned. Ang lakas ng aircon nila and the Wi-Fi is okay. And you have a mirror here for fit checks. Pasensya na medyo magulo na yung room because we have our things na. But here you have your TV. It's not a smart TV. It's just a cable TV. And then meron din siyang work desk with another mirror. And then the room has a balcony overlooking one of the resort's pools. By the way guys, yung deluxe rooms nila, hindi lahat ng rooms ay may ganitong view. So if you want this specific view, you can state that as a special request. But that is of course subject to availability. So like a pool view, ganon. And what I like about this hotel is that kahit habagat, notice na hindi malakas yung hangin kasi nakaharang na siya. Hindi siya directly mismo tinatamaan ng malakas na hangin because of the habagat. So this is a very perfect hotel. I definitely recommend this, especially if you're visiting Boracay on habagat season. Hi Teos!
Are you serious?
Hello neighbor!
Hello neighbor.
Hello. I hope you don't pass it. Can you put the number 3?
What, this one?
Yeah.
And then you'll do the vlog?
Yeah.
Okay, continue the vlog. Here's Teos guys taking over. Make sure you hold it properly.
Is it like this? Hello.
Give them a room tour.
Give them a room tour, boy.
This is our room. We're watching some scary video, but I might get some nightmares soon. I'm gonna give. And this is our outside view.
Nasa view, boy.
Ito my room tour?
Yeah. Be careful.
Okay. Thank you for the room tour, neighbor.
Welcome. Bye. Welcome to Boracay. And later we're gonna go on swimming. Not with my Welcome to
Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, go. Welcome to Boracay,
guys. Today we are going to swim, but later.
Music. Asa si Stong?
Sa CR.
Nalibang.
In case you're wondering, yes, the hotel has elevators, especially if you're traveling with seniors or kids or seniors with wheelchair. Hi guys, so we're now here in Boracay. Actually, di na ako nakapag-vlog nung umalis kami sa airport kanina kasi sobrang hectic. Like, nagmamadali na kami, and especially we're traveling with, I'm traveling with family, and ang pangit pala ng panahon ngayon guys kasi habagat season. And when we arrive at Katiklan, actually na-delay pa yung flight namin. Our flight is with Cebu Pac. And then, ang lakas ng ulan pagdating namin. So, sobrang natagalan kami going here sa hotel mismo sa Boracay. By the way, we're checked in here at Paradise Garden. We booked this one via Agoda. But this is also available sa Agoda or Klook. So, if you wanna book via Klook and Agoda, we have promo code so that you can get discount when you stay here. So, we booked 4 rooms kasi nga we're traveling with our family. There's 10 of us, and then we booked 4 rooms that includes breakfast na din. The cheapest room here is nasa 2,100 lang ganun. Depende sa season. It varies per season, but the cheapest room here is 2,100. But the one that we got is the deluxe room. Medyo mahal lang to ng konti, but sobrang worth it ng deluxe room, guys. Upon arriving sa Katiklan, we already booked our transfer service via Klook. The booking includes transfer already from airport to the port, and then the boat ride from port to Boracay Island, and then another transfer from the Boracay port going to our hotel. So sobrang solid. Standard check-in here is at 2 p.m. So isa yun sa plus points kung bakit ko to binook. Malaki siya, meron siyang 3 pool. Meron din siyang pool na merong slide, which is perfect. Mag-enjoy yung mga kids dito. Ang ganda rin kasi para siyang paradise lang. Ang daming mga tanim. The resort itself, dahil malaki siya, meron siyang entrance going to the highway, tsaka meron din siyang entrance going to the beach. So guys, time check, it's 5 minutes to 6 p.m. So, nasa resort pa rin kami, pero we'll go to D Mall. We'll try if kakayanin kahit sobrang lakas ng hangin ngayon sa beach side. So, yes, samahan niyo kami. So yun guys, this is the hotel lobby, and then the waiting area din. So ang daming sofa dito, and then it's fully air conditioned din. So kahit nagwe-wait kayo, sobrang convenient. Kahit mainit yung panahon, is that naka-air condition yung lobby nila. Yes, God. So guys, papunta na kami sa beach area. So as I said earlier, etong resort na to, meron siyang labasan or entrance going to the beach. Okay, fire dance.
Wala ko ingon, nga ba?
Okay. Grabe. Grabe guys. Not good for your bangs. Tingnan nyo. Shit, grabe ang lakas. I don't think you can hear me now kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin. And dahil sa sobrang lakas ng hangin, no swimming. It's a no swimming zone. na TikTok recommendation natin ito try ngayon dito sa Boracay is the Coco Mama. So I got the small 2 scoops, yung mixed flavor ng original coconut at saka coco pandan for 190 pesos. Wow! Let's try!
Parang mas masarap yung coconut sa buko pandan.
Ako bali.
Oo ba?
Gusto ko yung pagka.
Nabasa. Hello!
Welcome to my vlog.
Cute.
Kabalik na ako sa resort. So, ano lang kami, parang yung tuk-tuk ang tawag yan. Parang tricycle ba yan? So, dun kami magla-lunch sa Island Izakaya. Nakita ko sa YouTube na isa yun sa mga recommended na makainan dito sa Boracay. And good thing is katapat lang ng store mismo is etong resort na to, yung entrance. Meron kaming voucher na nabook sa Klook kasi mas makasave kayo like I think 300 or 400 pesos. So since I got like 2 vouchers na worth 2,000 and I only paid like I think 1,600 each, so 800 pesos din yun na saving. So mas makakamura pa din kayo and you can get more discount when you use my Klook promo code for that. So Island Izakaya, nasa Klook din yan. So ayan, nasa 3rd floor kami. Para siyang mansion na design. This is not a new resort pero okay naman yung maintenance niya. Wala na siya bonito flakes. Good morning guys, it's our 2nd day here in Boracay. So magbe-breakfast tayo ngayon sa restaurant ng Paradise Garden Inn Resort and we'll see if sulit naman yung breakfast nila. What I know is it's a buffet breakfast, so when we booked the room we included the breakfast na para sulit din yung pagstay namin dito. At least hindi na kami mag-worry thinking saan kami kakain. So let's go! Weather update for a 2nd day guys. This is Sunday, July 20. Yeah, July 20. So mas maaraw na siya unlike yesterday na whole day gloomy at saka sobrang lakas ng ulan. Ngayon malakas pa din yung hangin dahil nasa Habagat, but at least hindi na siya umuulan at saka meron na tayong sunshine for this trip. So we're now going to the restaurant guys. So nilalakad lang namin. So dito ito yung main pool ng resort, yung may slide at saka pool bar. So yung resort ay yung restaurant dito is papunta mismo sa may beach area. Good morning Theo. You did not greet the vlog. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning vlog.
Good morning, vloggy.
Yes, and what do you call your subscriber?
And who's the owner of this hotel?
I told.
Ay, gingo siya yung owner. You met the owner of the hotel. okay yung beach ngayon kasi mas maaraw na siya. Ayan. I think bawal pa din mag-swim doon sa malayo. Pero dito lang sa shore, pwede. Sobrang hangin, so I'm not sure if narinig niyo ako. Here's Teos. Yehey! Kiss you, kiss. Mas okay itong ganito, at least hindi na siya umuulan compared before. I mean, compared yesterday. Clear din yung skies. Hopefully we can get a really good sunset view mamayang gabi. Wow! So maliligo kami dito ngayon sa pool. I'll show you the main pool here sa Paradise Garden mismo. So ayan yung pool nila guys, and the thing about this resort is ang laki ng slide niya. Ako hindi ako mahilig sa slide, to be honest. Pero we'll see if we're going to ride a slide. Ayun. So ayan yung water slide nila. I think yeah, it's from the top lang, parang 3rd level. Ang laki ng pool nila guys. Daddy, meron ding maliit na slide dito. Hadlock mo ko? Inside mo? Hadlock mo ko? Pa-try natin tong camera ko guys na mag-slide. Anyway, waterproof naman to. Kahit without the case. I'm still using my Insta368 Pro 2.
Is this the way for facing it?
Yeah, you can see you.
How about in the back one?
No, because that's the video.
Okay. I'm good?
We're gonna swim?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Quite difficult to... Oh no, there, oh.
Okay.
Okay, go swim underneath. Good job. Good job. I will take you. So first test ko to na ibabad yung Insta360 underwater. Okay naman siya so far. I'm not sure if narinig niyo pa rin ako dahil probably yung mic niya is na ano ng water. Pero again, that's waterproof without the case.
I know, guys.
Go there, go there. Good job.
I found these in underwater.
Yeah, you do it.
Wait, I can bring the camera to let them so how the kids slide looks like.
Okay.
Sir, is that
Can you go
allowed?
to the slider?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, just hold it properly. Oh, okay, pick a side man to. Want to tab? How? Ba, ano to?
Kami bala,
350.
dato biro.
Yamando ko ng 4 hours, 408.
Murag giganahan o rin mo. Kung murag nakasturya siya mo. Di mo maligod eh?
Bro, karon pag ila-ila bitaw.
Oo. Pwede ra. So Teos is going to the slide. Wow, how was it?
Kind of good.
Like that? Do it like this. Good job! Good job!
Wow.
That's recording already.
Hello. Hello, guys. Hindi ito. Ito. Ito.
Ala, laki yung pulo dato ha.
Kakatapos lang namin mag-pool. So, lalakarin lang namin yung papuntang D-Mall and then we'll find a place to eat.
We're going to the mall.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, we're going to the mall. And if there's Dunkin', I think I can buy Dunkin'.
Why Dunkin' D-Mall? I thought you were going to find a place to eat.
I'm also gonna find a place to eat.
Okay, for lunch, okay?
Okay. This is the outside view.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, video. One, two, three, smile. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, smile.
So yun guys, it's maganda yung afternoon ngayon kasi mainit. Thankfully hindi siya umulan, malakas pa rin yung hangin pero at least hindi siya umulan. Ang lakas ng waves, bawal pa rin mag-swimming pero pwede naman dyan sa malapit na area. Wow, nice one Teos! Third floor, magpunta.
Yeah, may bukay bago. Hangin.
Kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Hindi kami nakapag-lunch sa Island Chicken Asa kasi ang daming tao pala talaga. We decided to eat na lang dun sa katabi, which is yung crab. The Wokeria Crab Pasta House. So doon na lang kami kumain. Okay lang din naman yung price for like a family of 10 or 9 or 10 ganon. So sulit naman. So busog naman kami. So bumalik kami dito sa Coco Mama kasi yung family ko hindi nila to na-try yesterday. So eto yung dessert namin. Say hi, Dios here. Alright guys, update after kami nag-rest sa hotel, like for afternoon. So merong nag-nap sa amin, then nag-rest. Bumalik ulit kami dito sa D-Mall. And then papasyal ulit kami sa D-Mall going to Station 1 kasi hindi pa nakapunta yung family ko doon. So, lalakarin lang namin. Hopefully, merong sunset view but based on the clouds, parang medyo gloomy siya. So, I think walang magandang sunset ngayon pero still pupuntahan pa rin namin yun. So, bukas na kami mag sa Station X. Makuyog lang yun, makuyog. Melon milk.
Yun lang po. 560.
Wala ako.
Banana milk.
Cheers! Ayan guys, so naka-order na kami ng Jonas fruit shake pero yung order ko is not entirely fruit. This is choco banana peanut. Masarap siya. I like the combination of banana and peanut. So, okay din naman siya. Pero walang sunset view guys dahil sa kapal ng parang ang kapal ng clouds.
So we're
Too close like that.
going to I'm showing you the rock over there. You see the rock over there? Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, you see that one? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The big rock. We're going to there. I don't know if we're going to swim to it or we're just going to ride a boat to it.
You're done showing them
Yeah.
the rock. And guys, so we're done. Napuntahan yung bato na yan. I forgot ano pangalan ng rock na yan. So, babalik na kami sa D-Mall. Doon kami magdi-dinner sa island. Island Inasal.
Yeah, we're actually not going to the rock. I didn't know why we're not going to the rock. So bye-bye. Why aren't we going to the rock? Alright. Yeah, don't miss the beach thing.